So next we'll remove the split mag. So before we remove, we need to remove the spring here. Once removed already, we'll remove two screws that's hidden, one in here and one at the rear. So to expose the screw, we can press on this to lift up. You can see the screw inside. Then for the rear, you can lift up the swing arm. And remove it. Once the two screws are out, you can slowly lift up the, and also remember there's a catch here that's catching to the big arm. So remove it. Once one is out, then we slowly remove the split mag. Once lift up, tilt to angle, and we can remove the split mag.